Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So we got this 2018 Shelby GT350 from a salvage auction, and in this one video we're gonna bring this thing back to life. First thing first, you're gonna have to drop this thing off the trailer, try to see if it's gonna start, drive it into the shop, and then the fun will begin. Let's see now. Look at that, just like that. All right. Now I see the problem. Good thing we stopped on time. This thing is so bent that's hitting the shock. And now we're gonna have to take this thing off, fix it, and then put it back. This thing doesn't want to turn on us. We'll have to slide it just like that, because if we drive straight it goes, but the minute we turn the wheel it just spins and wants to walk this way. All right, so it looks like we're clear, but it's only half of the wheel. We'll see if that's gonna hold there. Alright, the Cobra is nice and clean. Now it's time to strip it down and look deeper how bad the damage is. Alright, the Shelby is ready to go get some framework by the professionals. Framework is done on the Shelby. We're gonna go bring it back to our shop and do the rest. There's one of the ramps and the second one is missing. Didn't even know that. Now we're gonna have to get the car on the trailer somehow. Nope, it's not gonna clear. Stop, stop. We are good to go. Had to take the bumper off because of scratching the trailer. So we just got back to the shop, but offloading this thing is gonna be a lot easier because I do have extra ramps. The car is back over here at the shop. So what the framer did is put a new apron. Of course, this is gonna be painted. The gaps are really good, which means everything was done right. And then another little corner over here that's gonna have to be painted. Right, so the car just got done painted. We painted the apron, the door because it's damaged from the fender. We also painted the bottom corner on the passenger side, and everything looks fresh and brand new. All right, there she is, complete, nice and clean. Next thing what we're gonna do is throw the stickers on. We got the black stripes and the red that goes on the side. So we're gonna take this thing outside and go do some burnouts, but we gotta go like who knows where. There's a private road, that way it's safer to do our burnouts. Just to show the car a little bit, you guys pay attention on those gaps. Obviously this thing didn't have a frame damage, so the gaps should be perfect. And we did buy the original Shelby hood, bumper and fenders. Color match, we didn't have to paint. The only paint job was on the inside the frame a little bit, this door and the other corner. We tried to do it same as original, that's why there is no sticker over here. It kind of runs down on the bumper, goes on top of the spoiler, the trunk, the roof. So right now it's a little cloudy, you can't really see the two black stripes, the matte black, but they're there. On a sunny day they pop out really good. Very nice, comfortable seats. Does have to be detailed a little bit. It's a little, I mean, we did clean up the car, it's just working on it, it got dirty again with this rain that we have this week. Man, I hope we're not losing the phone because all the videos are over here.